Hi guys, this is Aditya Kharadkar and welcome to the Brainstorm Codings. In the last lecture, I introduced you to the Go programming language and I told you about some of the information about Golang. So in this lecture, we're going to write our first program in the Go programming language, and I'm going to explain every single thing we're going to use in this program. So go to your browser, and I already opened the Golang's playground. But if you haven't opened it, then search for play.golang.org. This is the URL for the Golang's playground, and you will get this dummy program here which says Hello Playground. But before explaining this, I think we should write our program from nothing, and then I will explain every single thing about this program. So let's delete all these things and let's start writing the program. So whenever we write the Go program, we always start with declaring the package. So we first need to take this package main, which is the package declaration. Well, Go programs are read from top to bottom and left to right. And as I said, every program in Golang must start with package declaration. And packages are Go's way of organizing and reusing the code. Well, basically, there are two types of programs in Golang, executables and libraries. We can run the executable programs directly from the terminal, and libraries are collections of code that we package together so that we can use them in other programs as well. So, we will explore libraries later in this course, but for now, make sure you declare the package at the beginning of every program you write. Then we have the import statement. And we're going to import a package named fmt. So import is a keyword and we use this keyword to include code from other packages to use with our program. And fmt here, fmt is a package called as format package that implements formatting for input and output, and all the functions which are used for input and output operations lie in this fmt package. So there are two ways we can write the import statements, and that depend on the number of packages we have to import in our program. So if you have only one package to import in your program, then this is a nice way to write the import statement. But let's see if you have um, multiple packages to import. Then there is a package called log. If I have to import these two packages in my program and I'm writing this import statement like this, and this is not going to work because the Golang will throw error because this is not the right way if you have multiple packages to import. So for this, if we have more than one package, then you should write all these packages inside the parenthesis. So we have this fmt package, and if let's say we have this log package, we can write as many packages as we want in parentheses. It doesn't matter, but make sure you're writing all these packages on the new line. But even if you write these packages in the parentheses but you're writing on the same line, then this will again throw an error. Make sure you're writing everything on the new line. So for now we are not going to use these two packages, and even if you have a single package, this is also the right way to import it. So I think I would recommend to use this kind of import statement for every program you write. And always make sure you write the name of the package within the double quotes. Everything that comes within the double quote is called as string literal, which is the type of expression, and we'll talk about this later. But make sure you're writing your package name within the double quotes. And then we have the main function. So functions are the building blocks of a Go program. They have inputs, they have outputs, they have a series of steps which are called as statements, which are executed in an order. So func is a keyword. The keyword we have used here before main. The func is a keyword and all the functions start with this func keyword followed by the name of the function. So here main is the name of the function, and everything which comes within these curly braces, these two curly braces, everything which comes within this is called as the function body. And I'll explain more about functions. We'll deeply dive into functions later in this course. And then we have this fmt dot println statement. We're going to say hello world, which is, I think, every single program we write for the first time in any language, I think it's about hello world. So this statement is made of three components. First, we access another function inside of the fmt package. So here fmt is the package and println is the function we are accessing from this fmt package. And println means the print line. Then we create a new string that contains hello world. This is the string, and then we call that function with the string as the first and the only argument. So now we're gonna run this program. I think this is the basic program I can introduce you to for the first time. So if you want to run the program, you can see this run button here. Just click on this button and we get the output as hello world. So this is our first program in Golang. I hope you enjoyed this, and even if you are overwhelmed with all these things, then don't worry. I'm going to explain every part of it individually later in this course. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.